హలో నేను చిల్లి నువ్వే మార్చ్ ఇది
మనమే
నోట్లో పెట్టుకున్నాం.
హలో
చిల్లి దూరంగా
హలో
హలో
1 let's go to 1.
ఓకే చిల్లి సాగా అందరికి
You want some cake? You want some cake?
Why?
Chocolate cake? This one some Oreo biscuit.
Why?
Eat it.
The alien take this.
Why?
Don't know.
What's not please?
Hey, the alien is the phone. I make it pretend.
This bed and the more.
Hey, don't play with the camera. Hey, stop. Let's do something else right now. Let's go to camping.
ఇప్పుడు యాపిల్ సినిమా
లేదు ఇంకా ఉంది.
ఇంకా
చెల్లి క్యాంపింగ్కి వెళ్ళలే. చెల్లి ఆ సినిమా లాగా లాంగ్ టైం చేయాలి తెలుసా? గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్. నో చేస్తారు అన్నారు వాళ్ళు. ఇండియా వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు లాంగ్ టైమ్. చెల్లి ఇది ఇండియా చెల్లి. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ అమెరికా. Hey, stop doing. Let's do something else. Hey, let's go to camping.
Yeah, come on. Sit out. Go to the toilet.
Without wheels.
Number.
Here he is.
Yes, it's night time. Let's go sleep.
Okay.
Well, sleep with me.
Why?
It's morning time. Yes, it's morning time today. It's morning time today. Yes. Yes, let's go to home. We're going to where today?
Why?
Because we're going to home.
Ah!
Where is it? What happened? Where to go? What? It's go away. Mouse is going out too.
Only Alia is there.
What happened? Anna, all dead apple. What happened?
Ah! It's Black Panther. He's alive. Let's do something. Ah!
But why is it like that?
He fell down. Oh, what happened? Bad car.
Hello, Black Panther.
Yes, bulls are coming in this town.
It's scary today. Look this Anna. You can stand like this.
car is coming.
Out.
Blue car alien.
Black Panther, so scary.
Go on the submarine you have. It's all water over here. This one is submarine alien. Every Spidey, they're coming. Everyone. Let's put the camera inside and go.
Wow, dolphin.
The aliens are gone.
Okay.
The end.